Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you some of the new updates to Momentum. If you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I wanted to share with you is that your bonus files are now more easily navigatable. So if you highlight here where it says bonus files and you hit kits and new releases, you will get the newest releases and you will get them all on one page. So you see here that we have our new Remember Your History kits. You've got the Falling in Love with Jesus kit. You've got actually 6 new kits this month for your low fee. This is your bonus section. And I wanted to show you specifically that if you scroll down, you're going to get your Old Testament Bible journaling kits and your New Testament Bible journaling kits, and these are ordered by books of the Bible. So instead of getting one long page that you have to scroll down forever, just go ahead and click which one you want. If you want an Old Testament kit, just click the button that says Old Testament kit, and you're going to get them, you see here, in order of books of the Bible. So we got Genesis, we got Exodus, and you just kind of continue down. Any kit that is made for that particular book of the Bible is going to show up here. We got a ton of Psalm, a ton of Proverbs, and Isaiah in the Old Testament. So you can just see here, I've just have a ton of kits for you. Now, if you want to go back, excuse me while I scroll back up. If you want to go back, or if you just want to go to the New Testament kits, you can just highlight underneath your bonus files, go directly to New Testament kits. That will get you either to the New Testament kits, or, if you hit the one that says Old Testament kits, you'll get there as well. So for the New Testament kits, we start with Matthew, okay, Matthew, Mark, Luke, etc. And they're all in order now, so that you can just, find whichever book you're working in and grab the kits that are available in that particular book of the Bible. So I hope that is really helpful to you. Again, you have your planner stickers as well. You can just click planner stickers. You've got some new ones there going on as well. You've got that really cool fall planner kit. I love the She Blooms planner kit. We have another planner kit coming out here for winter that I think you're going to really like. Of course, you've got your functional stickers and last year's winter kits as well, and last year's fall kits, and of course summer, spring, all that. So lots of kits for you in the planner section. Your traceables are still the same. You got paper, tip-ins, stickers, margin elements, traveler's notebooks. Oh, the digital stamps are also, we've got a new one as well. So if I just click that, let it update for just a quick minute here. Elizabeth is the new one. So that's Elizabeth when she was pregnant. And again, with just a ton of these digital stamps. Now, for Momentum members, you get the PDF file and the PNG file. So the PNG file is perfect if you want to overlay that on some digital paper, or if you just want to print out the PNG, that's fine. Or if you want to put it in cards and do anything like online where you are making digital cards or something, that's what the PNG file is for. Otherwise, you're welcome to use that PDF file as well. Now, Momentum members are the only ones that get the digital stamps in the PDF format. Going back to the new releases, just wanted to show you that it's not just the kits now that are in this kits and new releases, it's all of the new releases. So you can see here we have our 4 new kits that just showed up this month, and we are in the month of October. And then we have the Rejoice Fall Planner Kit. So you don't have to go to the planner section anymore. If you just want to download the new stuff, it's right here. So just go to this page that says, again, kits and new releases, download all the new stuff right away from one page. You don't have to go anywhere else. And then you have your digital stamp, and this month it is Elizabeth. So I hope that this is easy for you. Again, if you want the newest course, just highlight under Momentum. You will get the Be the Light Bible Journaling course that is going to be available October 1st. So if you're watching this before that, you'll get it on the 1st. And you'll have your devotional, of course. All your downloads are in one place here. Lots of downloads for you, but super fun, guys. And then, of course, your videos. Then also, if you want just to do the technique for the month of October is working in stencils. And so I am showing you how to use stencils in your Bible, as well as how to make them. We'll be learning how to make them with household objects, making your own stencils with X-Acto knives and gyro cutters, glue gun, hot glue gun, learning how to paint with stencils, I have some bonus ones over here at the bottom for your silhouette machine and your brother scan and cut. So lots of fun things for you to do this month in Momentum. Of course, if you want to look at any of the past courses, if you are a Momentum customer, you do get access to all of those. We just wrapped up the course in Seasons. I got a lot of great feedback from that. So if you are going through a difficult season, working through some transition, that is a perfect devotional for you to work on. Of course, in our past Momentum courses, you are going to be able to get any of your devotions on the left-hand column, and you are getting all 2019, 18, and 17 classes. And then on the right column, you have your technique videos. So things like how to paint trees, quick and easy backgrounds, faith journaling, hand lettering. We've got a really nice hand lettering course, gouache, foil, painting flowers, etc. As you go into classes for 2018, I'm still working on getting these split up for you so that you can have the devotion on one side and the technique on the other side. It just takes quite a bit to do that. So right now they're combined, but you can just look and see which devotions you want. If you want to do Rise Up, go ahead and click that. If you want to work in pastels, click in that. If you want to do mono printing, drawing faces, markers, etc., all kinds of things, collage, creative lettering, so much fun. And then of course we have our 2017 class links as well. So lots of stuff for you guys to do in Momentum. Do not get overwhelmed. I want you to pick the one that is that calls to you. Like, use the one that calls to you. If you want the newest release, just hover over here, grab the one that says Course 27. Again, that's going to be available on October 1st. And if you're curious about Momentum, it's basically a digital Bible journaling subscription. So you actually get access to the devotionals, the Bible journaling kit. So you basically can watch the videos, you can download the files. Like I just downloaded this one right here, and this is the devotion for the month. And at least that was for September. October's is right here. Let me grab October's for you. So we are working on Be the Light this month. And so if you want to download the file, you get the devotion, go ahead and download the devotion. Real easy. You get the devotion. It's a 5-part devotion. And you just kind of work through it. And you can work through it with me on the videos. And if you want the kits, you just click the button that says download the Bible journaling kits. That does take just a little bit more time to download because it is a larger file, but it will open up pretty quickly now. And then you get the kits as well. And these are downloadable, so you can print them out on your computer, cut them out, paste them in your Bible. You can put them in stickers as well as trace them out with any machine, trace and cut. It's all kinds of fun. And then you get the mini kit, you get the calendar, you get the traveler's notebook, you get the cover, you get how to study biblical topics, you get worksheets, you get additional supplements, so much here for you guys. And that is just the devotion. If you want to work on the technique for stencils, just click on stencils, whatever that technique is for the month. And go ahead and download any supplements. So if we have printables, they will be located here. If you are curious about supplies, you just click the button. It will take you to our website. That will show you what kind of supplies you might be interested in purchasing. They're not required. I try to do stuff that you don't have to buy stuff with, but I do the best I can. And of course, if you just want any of those bonus files, just go ahead and click the one you want. For example, this one here. This is the Remember Your History one, and I just love this one because it's the first time we're doing the little memory decks printables, which are super fun. And I even have the small ones in here for you if you are if you want to put them in your Bible as kind of a cute little mini memory decks. And then of course the printables, and all of these usually are 2 to 3 parts for each one of these. This one's really cute. The Falling in Love with Jesus printable, I thought was just adorable. Now you can use these in Bible journaling as well as in art journaling. So again, if you have questions, go ahead and click that link. Email support@BibleJournalingMinistries.com. We are always here to help you, and I hope that you guys enjoy the newest releases. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.